Want your Android phone to use your favorite apps automatically? In this guide, you'll learn how to change the default apps for browsing, messaging, calling, and more so your device works exactly the way you prefer. Start by opening the Settings app on your Android phone. Scroll down through the menu and tap Apps to access your installed applications and app management settings. At the top of the Apps menu, tap Choose Default Apps. Depending on your phone's manufacturer or Android version, this option may also appear as default apps. Next, select the category you want to change. For example, if you want a different web browser to open links automatically, tap Browser app. You'll see a list of compatible browser apps installed on your device. Simply tap the app you'd like to use as your new default, and your selection will be saved immediately. You can repeat the same steps for other categories, including the phone app, messaging app, caller ID, digital assistant, home app, or password manager, depending on what your device supports. If the app you want doesn't appear, make sure it is installed and updated to the latest version. If you ever change your mind, you can return to the same menu and select a different app at any time. Some Android devices may display slightly different menu names, but the overall process is very similar across most brands. That's it. Your default apps have been updated, giving you a more personalized Android experience with the apps you enjoy using most every day.